Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. We're currently on WhatsApp and we're going to simply search for ChatGPT. Now you can see ChatGPT Official. Now how do we have that? Now in order to have ChatGPT Official, you'll need to save a ChatGPT phone number. Yes. So you're going to go over to your phone book and type this number. This phone number will be in the description below. So you'll need to save your ChatGPT phone number and name it ChatGPT Official or ChatGPT. Once you save it and refresh your WhatsApp, you can then search for ChatGPT as you saved it as a contact, and you will have ChatGPT on your WhatsApp. Now let's go over to WhatsApp. Now right here on WhatsApp, because we searched for ChatGPT, we now have a ChatGPT Official. And this is the official ChatGPT WhatsApp number where you can save for your use while on WhatsApp. As you can see, it does have the blue tick, and this is important if you are to recognize its authenticity. We can simply ask any question, and now you can see the response from ChatGPT. So with these steps, you will be able to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.